Hello everyone and welcome once again to our Dinette studio. We created this new video about cleaning your boat to complement the ones already on our HiNelson YouTube channel. In previous videos, I've already explained how to thoroughly clean the deck using various methods. Today, we'll look at some new ones with new products. But why is it so important to keep a deck clean? Keeping the boat deck clean is essential for several reasons. A clean deck allows you to quickly spot any damage or signs of wear. Regular cleaning lets you closely inspect the surface and identify any cracks, splits, or structural issues before they turn into serious problems. This allows you to act quickly and prevent more serious damage to the boat. Regular cleaning of the deck helps maintain the boat's structural integrity. The presence of dirt, algae, salt deposits, or other substances on the surface can damage the materials. For example, corrosion, deterioration, or permanent stains can occur. By keeping the deck clean, you preserve the boat's lifespan and reduce the need for costly repairs or replacements. A clean boat is a beautiful boat, so a clean deck gives the boat a better appearance. And aesthetics are important both for your personal enjoyment and to make a good impression on guests or potential buyers. So a clean and well-maintained boat is a sign of pride and attention to detail. Cleaning the deck also contributes to crew safety, as we mentioned, because having a clean surface reduces the risk of slips and falls caused by algae, oily residues, and other slippery substances. By keeping the deck free of obstacles and clearly visible, you create a safer environment for everyone on board. To optimally clean the boat's deck, you'll first need to gather the necessary items: sponges, microfiber cloths, a broom, a scrub brush with medium bristles, brushes with slightly stiffer bristles, a handy bucket for fresh water, one for salt water, and a water hose. Since we'll be using some harsh cleaning materials, it's a good idea to wear a pair of rubber boots. So, let's follow these steps. Before you start cleaning, sweep away dust and remove any surface debris from the deck using a broom, a wet/dry vacuum, or simply the water hose. Once you've removed the top layer of dirt, it's time to use a cleaner specifically made for fiberglass. So, let's go ahead and rinse off a section of the deck. I recommend working in small areas at a time. It would be pointless to rinse the whole boat under the sun because it would dry up right away and you'd end up using 3 times as much water. And since water is a precious resource, let's do our part as good sailors and use as little as possible. In this video, we'll be using an outstanding product for cleaning the deck that cleans thoroughly without damaging it. A great feature is that I chose this product because you can use it even with salt water, which really helps you use a lot less fresh water. After rinsing with water, pour a little bit of the product, don't overdo it, onto the area you want to clean. Grab the scrub brush and start scrubbing the deck. Scrub well for a few minutes to give the cleaner time to work, then rinse the surface with water. Avoid applying too much pressure so you don't damage the fiberglass with the brush. Once you've rinsed again, sprinkle a bit more powder and give it another scrub. After finishing this new round of scrubbing, rinse with clean water. Use a hose to help you remove any leftover residue. If there are particularly stubborn stains, you may need to repeat the cleaning process or use an even more specific cleaner designed for that type of stain. Always make sure to follow the product instructions and test it on a small hidden area of the deck before general use to avoid accidental damage or fading. After all this work, I'll give you a moment to appreciate this exceptional result. In conclusion, keeping the boat deck clean is essential for quickly spotting any damage, preserving structural integrity, improving its appearance, and ensuring the safety of the crew. Regular cleaning is an investment of time and care that will pay off in the long run, keeping your boat in optimal condition and extending its lifespan. As always, I remind you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos and to turn on notifications. Fair winds to you, not too little, not too much, but just right.